How much money do you actually need to start an Amazon business? There's two different ways I'd recommend to start selling on Amazon if you have limited budget. The first way, and the way I actually started selling on Amazon, is by selling used books. To do this, you're going to need an app called Scout IQ, and you're also going to need a Bluetooth scanner that syncs up with your phone. Once you have those two tools, you're just going to go to a local thrift store and start scanning every book on the shelf. Over the first year of my Amazon business selling used books, I sold just shy of $100,000 worth of used books, and I made about $35,000 working part-time on my own schedule. The other way I would recommend to get started is with online arbitrage. With this, I'd recommend you have about $1,000. With books, you really only need a couple $100s. To do this, you're going to need two tools. One is called Keepa, the other is called SellerAmp. Once you have those two tools, go to a great value brand listing on Amazon, because the sellers on this listing are going to be selling other products that you can buy from Walmart as well. All you need to do is scroll through the products they're selling and see which products you might be able to buy for the max cost option. For example, here's this product that we can buy for $11 at Academy, and then over here on Amazon, we can sell that same product for $28, making about $7 per unit. You definitely don't need thousands and thousands of dollars to get started. Go ahead and follow if you want to learn more.